How to return on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can return items on Shein, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to return your items on Shein app, all you have to do is, let's say you purchased something. Now keep in mind, it also really depends upon the condition of the item, because sometimes the issue over here seems to be that maybe you purchased something and then you want to return it, but it's already been over a week old, it's already been past the refund process of the company and against the policy of the Shein app, and in that cases you will not be able to apply for a return and get a refund, hopefully. But if it's just only been a day or two that you ordered and you're not satisfied with the product, in that case you can actually apply for a return process. And to do this, you just want to make sure to open the Shein's online shopping application here, and then make sure that you're signed into your respective accounts. And once you're signed into the account, you want to just tap the me icon from the bottom right of the screen, and then you're going to be taken to your profile page where you're going to be able to see all your details there. And under my orders you can see view all, and under view all you can see returns, so you can just tap on returns, and if there is any of the returns that is actually processing, that is already ongoing, you'll be able to find them over here. If there is a specific order that is not in the return tab, you just want to go to the view all option here, and then go to your orders tab here, and then just select the specific order that you want to return. Once you select the specific order that you want to return over here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the return option in order to follow the on-screen instructions. And it will ask you for a couple of details. It might ask you to take a photo of the product along with you, so that you can actually apply it for the return process. So hope this video helped to ask the how you can return on the Shein app. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.